Business has really changed in the last 5 to 10 years because a lot of the workforce is now mobile. Our typical customer is a large Fortune 500 with over 5,000 connected devices. There's a lot of complexities that are created in that. Mobi software powers enterprise mobility strategy, enabling companies to centralize, comprehend, and control their entire device ecosystem. Before moving to 8x8, Mobi had an on-premise contact center system. We had a lot of points of failure inside of our building. And because our help desk and contact center is so critical, we absolutely had to do something about it.
We want to be able to have one system that will cover our interactions with the customer, mainly phone calls and chats.
What stood out about 8x8 was that everything was managed under one roof.
They're a carrier of their own. We didn't have to deal with another third party.
I believe the team came in at 8 p.m. on the weekends, and by 1 a.m., so 5 hours later, the system was rolled out and we were ready to go. It was so easy for Jerome. He's like, hey, it's done. About a year ago, we were experiencing very rapid headcount growth. There's a cost per square footage for every person that we put in an office. The projections on that for the 5-year plan were growing and spiraling out of control. We're taking around 36,000 calls a month and have doubled our contact center workforce. With the cloud, it's just as simple as adding an additional seat, and then that's 8x8's job to make sure that that scales.
Moving our office to another location, we didn't have to move any hardware besides the physical phones themselves.
With 8x8 and the additional capabilities that allow our agents to work from anywhere, it's really afforded us some additional flexibility that have caused us to step back and take a more strategic look at how we want to grow this company geographically. We rolled out 24/7 internal support about 6 months ago. In the past, we had to use a third party. Since we have 8x8 and our remote capabilities, we've since pulled that back in-house for about 80% of our after-hours service.
We're big on our brands, so having our own call board was really important to us.
Call boards give every employee at Mobi access to how we are doing operationally.
With 8x8 having their APIs available, we were able to set up a Mobi branded call board.
One of the greatest benefits about 8x8's analytics is that it allowed our operations team to self-serve for reporting, whether that be daily, weekly, monthly, etc. We also integrate 8x8 with our workforce management system so we can make sure that our customers have the appropriate coverage. We're not exactly sure what the next 10 years is going to hold for us. Having a trusted partner like 8x8 in place that we know can scale alongside us is key to deliver the experience that our customers expect.